Hey everybody, this is Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planting some trees. These are Emerald Green Arborvitaes. I'm going to be planting them along this wall here, spacing them out evenly just to add some height and kind of spruce up the landscape a little bit. I found a really good deal on these trees, so I'm super hyped to get these in. I'm going to be showing you how I plant these trees, maybe a couple little tips and tricks to help them thrive. I've got these bigger salvias. There's one there and one there that I'm going to be transplanting. Alright, so the root balls on these are about 16 inches wide and about 12 inches deep. So I'm going to be making my holes about twice as wide and just a little bit deeper than the 12 inches. Here I'm just pulling back some of the mulch. This way it makes the cleanup a lot easier. And here I'm dumping my dirt into a bucket. I also have a little piece of cardboard laying on the concrete behind me just to make my cleanup a lot easier. There's virtually no mess doing it this way. I highly recommend it. Alright, so my method of loosening up the root ball inside of the bucket is to just go ahead, press firmly down on the top of the bucket, spin the tree over, push some more, repeat that step a couple times until you feel the root ball is loose. Here I'm going to be using this garden rake. This is a hand rake. I'm going to dig that into the root ball, kind of loosen up some of that dirt a little bit, loosen up the roots so the roots aren't becoming root bound. The bottom of these trees are very solid, almost like concrete, so kind of breaking that up and loosening that up is essential. One thing to note, one of the most common errors when planting new trees is planting them too deep. If you're planting them too deep, it's going to essentially suffocate the tree. It's not going to get the nutrients it needs. So, rule of thumb, do not bury anything that wasn't buried from its original container or burlap ball. Now, the reason I dig my holes substantially deeper and wider is to allow those roots to easily spread throughout the soil and to allow more nutrients to get to those roots easier. So this definitely does include, before you plant the tree, is to fill that hole up just a little bit with some of that loose soil, and then also backfilling in the hole with the loose soil as well. And then you'll take your mulch, backfill that so everything looks nice and clean. Check out this hose. The Sun a Day Gardencraft XW Series retractable garden hose reel. This thing is awesome. It saves me so much time, so much effort. All I have to do is pull it out and then retract it, tug it, and take it back in. Check out the review on that up in the corner here. Once you've got your trees planted and everything backfilled, go ahead and give them a nice deep watering. So there you have it. The new trees are in. Super excited about these. If you guys have any questions, please place those in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful at all, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.